నమస్కారం. నవతరానికి నాంది నవ్య కార్యక్రమానికి స్వాగతం. ఎలాంటి కళ్ళనైనా మెరిపించేది రవ్వంత కాటుక. కంటిని సంరక్షించడంతో పాటు చలవ చేస్తుందని ఆయుర్వేదం చెప్తుంది. ప్రస్తుతం ఐలైనర్, మస్కరాలను వినియోగిస్తూ కాటుకను దూరం పెడుతున్నారు. ఈ నేపథ్యంలో కాటుకతో కలిగే లాభాలు, కాటుక పెట్టుకునే ముందు ఎలాంటి చిట్కాలు పాటించాలో తెలుసుకునే ముందు కొత్తదనం ఏంటో ఇప్పుడు చూద్దాం.
Namaskaram, Nenu Mansi Gulati. Swagatam Yoga. Today we'll do yoga for thyroid. So I am going to explain you few asanas which are very good to control thyroid. So let's start. Before that, starting we always have to meditate our body. Sit in Dhyan Mudra, close your eyes. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Now we'll chant Om 3 times very slowly. Inhale first. Om. Relax. Feel the vibration, feel your body from inside. Om is for purification, it stimulates your mind and your nervous system. So please do Om mantra, always meditate your body, worship your body, which is very important. Now we'll do yoga asana for thyroid. So we'll do first yoga asana, which is very good asana, my favorite asana also. Thyroid gland is here, center of your neck. So we are just going to place our finger here. Now make a spout, look up, press your gland. Release, relax. This is very important asana to control thyroid. Every yoga asana we have to perform 3 times for better result. So let's do it again. This is very important asana. Please place your finger here. Don't press it. Just place. Make a spout. Hold it for 10 seconds. Look up. Press your gland. Release. This is very important asana. We are going to do it for 3 times, third time. So let's do it. Make a pout. Believe me, you will get the best result if you do this exercise every day. Do it for at least 21 days for the better result. And do it regular, that is very important. So now we'll tell you second asana for thyroid. This will do normal neck stretches. I will tell you how we need to do it. First look up, stretch your jaw muscle, look down, hold, look up, okay. Now very simple, what we're gonna do, we are going to exhale. Very important, if you have thyroid, you can cure it by exhalation. Exhalation is always important. It clears all the bad toxins from your body. We'll tell you how we need to do it. Look up, stretch. Now exhale. Relax, go down, hold, relax. So this is very important asana, important stretch to control thyroid. Prevention is better than cure. So now I am going to tell you again a beautiful asana that we call child pose, and very easy and very good for thyroid and also good for prevention. So let's do it. Sit in Vajrasana. Be there for 30 seconds. Very slowly go down. Keep your forehead down first. So these asanas are very important and very good to control thyroid. We'll tell you one more thing which is very important. Before 5 we can have oily food, junk food. Sun is there, sun can absorb. But after 5 you have to avoid it. Every half an hour, water rules. Every half an hour take half glass of water, which is very important. Stay happy, be healthy. We will come again with other series. Thank you.
చూసారుగా కొత్తదనం. ఇక సూర్యకిరణాలు నేరుగా పడడం వల్ల కంటికి హాని కలుగుతుంది. కాటుక ధరించడం వల్ల కంటికి చలవ చేస్తుంది. కనుక సూర్యకిరణాలు పడినా కంటికి ఎలాంటి హాని జరగదు. దుమ్ము ధూళి నేరుగా కంటిలోకి చేరకుండా కాటుక